Ontario police continuously stalking, conspicuously, meaning that means more than one demon repeatedly crossing paths. They're doing so while these demons are stalked with impossible light. 5SCY 875, I believe, is included in that. Ontario police, they're going to be disbanded for that, and all of them, the gang members that I documented over the years, engaging in kidnapping, engaging what is harassment, like what they're doing at the Ontario Village Shopping Center on Sunday, they're going to federal prison. All right, this is treason, while the entity's criminal pattern of conduct, which is demonic activity, spiritually attacking American citizens that they seek to murder and kidnap as demons, is being criminalized. And the Ontario police are stalking while you see the fake sun over me at 424 North Euclid Avenue. And that is at what is 10:32 a.m. where at the same time, Alan and Elizabeth and Carissa and Joy and all those demons at the Upland Public Library have a fake sun over that venue. They have an issue under the law. Okay? And it's going to result in what are these treasonous, sex offending stalkers in police vehicles being stripped of the positions that they're in, while the United States government is shown to be engaging in what is criminal surveillance through corrupt agencies, such as what the Ontario Police Department have demonstrated to the world that they are. It wasn't just me documenting. These demons have told you themselves. They held the microphone that is the P.O.C. and they announced the fact that they serve Satan, and they're also going to be publicly punished and judged for it. This is P.O.C. They're doing so with criminals. They're going to be disbanded because of the lawlessness by the people of the state. The vagina monitors on assignment with the U.S. government. This is P.O.C. It is currently 10:33 a.m. at La D. This is the intersection. This is also where I'm at in the evening and in the afternoon, like when I'm walking back from the Upland Public Library, and this fake sun is still over me at the top of my head on this side of the street, where you see a police department sharing in criminal activity. That is why Satan is no legitimate leader. Lawlessness, criminal activity. And I want to be clear, Satan does not recognize ages. He uses and prefers minor children. They don't have any sort of age of majority. None of that is existing. It's not relevant within the kingdom of darkness. And it's not relevant regarding the U.S. government that is operating the hands and feet of Satan. You need to understand that they're fully engaged in it and they're cognizant of it, and they are born out of their demonic portals of their demon-possessed parents. These women that are gang stalking, that are lesbians, predators that are lusting after my vagina, gang stalking me, giving birth to children who are monitoring us. Okay? And this is the criminalization of that, and that's all relevant regarding a gang stalking police department that's going to be under no more. They're not going to exist anymore. And by the way, this is the same police department while one demon after another is crossing paths. It's the same police department while the entity maintains, as I've shown you, the pattern of conduct existing from city to city, county to county, state to state. It's currently 10:34 a.m. The fake sun leaves 1424 North Euclid Avenue, remaining over me street for street, turn for turn, into the adjacent city. And that's a prosecution of Mike LORENZ. That is gang stalking with the U.S. military in order to murder someone, not engage in law enforcement, protecting and serving that American citizen. This is P.O.C.